How to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. Let's get started. First, ensure your video is under 60 seconds and in vertical format, 9:16 ratio. Edit your video using any software you prefer. Then, log into your YouTube account and click on the Create button in the top right corner. Select Upload Video. Drag and drop your video file or click to select it from your PC. In the title or description, make sure to add Shorts to ensure YouTube recognizes it as a short. Choose your video's visibility, public, unlisted, or private. Then hit Publish. Your short is now uploaded. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a YouTube short from your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech and tips.